55 watt. This is 100 watt. So not too long ago, we upgraded these headlights on this pickup. These buckets came with bulbs, which were definitely an upgrade from what I had originally. And it may just be because of the clarity of the plastic, not sure, but they were better. So Auxito reached out to me with their LED bulbs. These are 20,000 lumen, 100 watt bulb, LED, low beam, high beam. So as soon as it gets dark, which is getting close, we're gonna run out here on the road, and I got a nice straight stretch, about 1/8 of a mile, that will show these bulbs, low beam, high beam. Then we'll run into the shop, we'll throw these bulbs in, and we'll run right back out the same exact spot and do a comparison between the low beam, high beam of these LEDs. And I'll wait till it's just as dark as it can be, so it's equal, it's fair. I want to know, and I want these to work better. Anyhow, we'll get these thrown in and do that comparison. As soon as it gets dark, we're waiting. Not yet. Okay, these are the original headlight, low beam, high beam. Low and high. And this is pulled back with both lights. I keep meaning to replace these struts. I forget all about it until I pop this hood, throw a set of vice grips on there. Solves that problem for now. So to change these bulbs, you have to pull the headlight bucket out. It's super simple. There's a clip right here and a clip right here. Get those two up. There we go. Okay, now should be able to just give this a push. Slide right out. Just be kind of careful you don't scratch up your paint. And if you're careful not to bump these too much, it'll slide right back in when you're done. So to do this, this is the bulb, or the lamp. We will unclip that and unplug it. And then all we have to do is twist that cap and wiggle that out. Don't touch the glass. So these bulbs are still good that I'm taking out. So I'm going to be careful. This kit comes with white gloves so that you don't get oil on that glass. That gets so hot that it will melt or burn a hole in there just from the oils off your fingers. So don't touch the glass. I should be wearing these fancy gloves, but I'm being really cautious not to touch the glass of it. I'm going to put these back in here, in this box where they're safe. And then we'll reinstall this the same way. If you look in here, there are 3 prongs and they're not all the same, so this should line up and fall into that spot. Which I believe the flat should be up. Oh, there you go. And then we'll screw that back on. Plug that back in. And carefully reinsert this. And if you're worried about scratching your paint, you can always put some masking tape around the edge of that just to protect that. Then just push that into place and knock your clips down. That one's in all the way. And we'll do the same over here. Okay, same thing. Pull these clips up. That one's a lot easier. Did this one get up all the way? This one is, and this one is not. There we go, okay. Same thing. Try not to knock your alignment posts out of the way, or out of whack. remove the headlight plug. Ow, dang it, that hurt. And then just unscrew this. Don't lose it. And again, pull your bulb out. Don't touch the glass. Here's a comparison of the two bulbs. This is your regular halogen light. It's the same 9007, 55 watt. This is 100 watt. I don't know what the lumens are on this halogen bulb. This is 20,000 lumens, so it should be way better. But you can see they're similar and way different. Then we'll reinsert this. Ring. There, just that simple. Reverse the process. Plug that in. And just carefully align that back into place. Put your clips down, just like that. Now I'm not going to change the alignment on the lights because I want this to be a fair comparison. That way the alignment won't affect anything and the light of the night, the darkness of night won't be any different, and it'll be a fair comparison. So I'll button this up and we'll get back out there and test it. Okay, back at the same spot. This is low beam. This is high beam. Seems to be a little brighter, a little clearer. Low beam's really bright. High beam. And then this is both, but I don't think I'm getting both out of it. But I'm thinking my low beams definitely need to be adjusted up with these, and high beam probably wouldn't hurt to be a little higher, so we'll have to just adjust them up, and I think we'll be golden. I don't know how much to adjust them up. Let's just try it out. Okay, back in the same spot. The lights have been adjusted up. I can see down the road a little better, and with the brights on, nice and bright down there. Anyhow, they're good. Let's see where I'm going. The Auxito LED light, they are much brighter, much crisper, nice white light. I really like that. They're a very direct beam. The 20,000 lumen is way brighter than that halogen, so it's a big improvement over where they were. So Auxito is offering a 15% discount with this Farm 10 code. Check them out. Take advantage of that 15% off. Check out their products. They got more than just bulbs. So I hope this is helpful. I hope this was interesting and enlightening. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye.